Here are the recaps from the hits. A Jarrell Jernigan, New York Giants autograph Letterman hit. Autograph San Diego Chargers Corey Liuget. 2-player 3-swatch jersey of Flacco Bolden. Ryan Matthews rookie review jersey rounds out the 4 hits. As I pan through the rest of the insert cards and serial number cards, we come upon a Mark Ingram variation rookie, Kyle Rudolph passport, Julius Peppers prestigious pros. Continuing to pan through the recap, Witten, Roddy White, Blaine Gabbert, Andre Johnson, Roethlisberger, Flacco, Jake Locker, Randy